Hi friends, today we are going to discuss a new tool that is known as Kimi K1.5. This is basically a free AI model and it's having multimodal capabilities. It was launched a few days ago and this is basically the model which is a strong competitor with the ChatGPT, OpenAI, DeepSeek and others. This AI model is basically it's having the same capabilities as those of the OpenAI O1 model as well as that of the DeepSeek. The exciting basically capability of this tool is that it search across 100 plus sites and upload multiple files with a maximum of 50 files at a time, and this capability I think so it's not there with the other tools. Similarly, this is totally free tool. You can use it unlimited for the time being. Maybe it may become paid tool later, but at the moment it is 100% and it's totally free. Now let's see that it's different. It has been compared with the different tools. For example, it's compared with the OpenAI O1, similarly the OpenAI Mini and others, and it's compared with the different models for math, for coding, for vision, etc. In mathematics, it basically it's on the top. Basically, here you can see in the blue color, it's on the top from the OpenAI as well as from others. But in case of coding, there are this is basically comparable to them when it comes to the percentile, code forces, etc. But in some other tests it's a bit below the OpenAI. In case of vision or basically in math vesta, etc., it's almost the same with other models. For using this, you have to sign up and use the interface. This is the interface, and though I think so I'm not sign up at the moment, you can use a few chats without the sign-ups, but after signing up you can use it at max. Oh, it gave me the sign that you have to basically log in. So it has an online mode as well as there are other modes. I have used it a bit and with the different commands, but let's test it today. And while testing, I would recommend that we should use some prompts, and those are basically challenging prompts and that are basically used for the models to test their capabilities, the LLM models to test their capabilities. So this is the first one, in which we say that a room contains a match, a kerosene lamp, a candle and a fireplace, and you need to illuminate the room. What do you light first? The expected answer is the match. Let's see that if the Kimi passes this or not. So let's paste it over here and click to give it the answer. The answer is this: you should light the match first. So the match is the only item that can be used to light the other items, the kerosene, etc. So we have got the exact and the accurate answer, so it has passed the test. Let's use the second prompt. The second prompt says that this is basically an ambiguous query handling, and Apple released a new product in 2023. Explain its significance. So let's copy this and paste it over here and see what Kimi says to us. So in this case, it has basically searched all the internet in a very high speed, and it's saying us that there are basically the iPhone 15 series came this in 2023, and let's check that what was the expected answer. So the expected answer was there must be a clarification request. Said, do you mean Apple Incorporation, the tech company, or the fruit apple industry? So for Apple Incorporation, I get discussed products like the iPhone 15 or Vision, etc. So basically it didn't ask me that I'm asking for the fruit or for the Apple company. So it means that it has got it that I'm actually asking about the Apple phone. So I think so this is good, and this is basically a basic test you can run on any LLM model, that is the large language model. So I think so we should accept this testing. Let's move to the next query, and this is basically regarding the code or the code generation and data analysis. So the prompt is write a Python script to read a CSV file salaries.csv with the columns name, department, salary, and then calculate the average salary per department. So let's give this query to the Kimi, and what should we expect? We should expect a code, and in which it should create these different columns. So let's paste it in the Kimi and see what it happens. So it's giving us some code, and it says that I have created a Python code with different columns, and if we use this Python code, we can basically run it in the environment, and we can create that CSV. So I think so it's done, and it's also acceptable. So let's make another basically the counterfactual or the creative thinking type prompt. In this prompt, we are asking that how would society differ if the internet was invented in the 19th century. So the expected answer should be that earlier the globalization was there and the basic internet was not there. So let's see what is the outcome of this prompt from the Kimi, and let's paste it over here. And since I'm not basically I have not logged in, so I'm back, and let's copy this prompt and paste it in the code, paste it in the Kimi and see what happens. So let's paste it. I have pasted it, and it has given me the answer that the instant global connectivity, if the internet was there in 19th century, then what was before? It was basically the demo. Basically, the answer is okay, as it says that before that there was basically a global community and people were basically in communication with different other means. So now let's ask another question, which is basically a bit confusing. And in this case, we are asking that a flight leaves San Francisco and the flight takes 10 hours. There is basically a time difference, and the zones are different. Let's see if it can calculate it or not. So the answer is that basically it has to calculate the time difference and then calculate us. So the answer expected is that the flight should arrive at 11 a.m. PDT, and after of course calculation it must have to convert all the details. So let's see if what the answer has been calculated or basically came here from the Kimi. So the answer here, you can see that therefore the flight arrives San Francisco at 11 MPDT, and of course it has calculated all the time differences. So I think so it's excellent and wonderful. You can use this tool for coding, as well as you can upload different files. It supports files up to maximum 50 files and 100 MB each, and I think so this is amazing. We will test this tool in our future videos. Thank you so much.